ready. Ayan at updated na ang ating score sa ating live stream. 52-54. Ayan at change of favor na tayo, Mark. 2 points lead of the USA Falcons after that 3-point shot committed by Sumadsad. That's good.
Another point will be added to the Defenders of Fate. 53-54. Nababa na naman, Jasper, sa isang puntos ang kalamangan netong USI Falcons.
Tingnan natin kung itatabla yan. And ayun na nga, itinabla na yan ni Canyon of the Defenders of Fate. Deadlock on 54 on the 6-minute mark of this fourth and last quarter. Now Sumadsad again. That's good again for Sumadsad. His sweet spot on that corner. Grabe, back-to-back score. 3 points by Sumadsad. Our score is 54
57-54
in favor of the Falcons.
And yan. Now USI back-to-back steal nitong dalawang grupo natin as of this moment. But pero nagkaroon doon ng out of bounds. And now mapupunta ang bola sa ating USI Falcons. Hindi pa tayo makakapag-conclude ngayon, Jasper, kung magkakaroon ba ng overtime itong larong ito.
Pero hindi malabo, Mark, na magkaroon tayo ng overtime.
Kasi as what you said when we start the game, talagang puspus